How to delete images from ChatGPT Library. This tutorial shows you how to remove them and where to find them if you want to delete permanently later. First, open the ChatGPT app on your Android device. From there, tap the hamburger menu at the top left. After that, tap Library. At this point, tap the Images tab to filter down to just the images you've generated or uploaded. Following this, long press on the specific image you want to remove. From here, tap Delete from Library. At this stage, a confirmation box will pop up. Following this, tap Delete to confirm. Once deleted, the image gets moved to a deleted folder rather than being erased right away, and it stays there for 30 days before it's automatically wiped. From here, if you want to find that folder, tap the three dots at the top right of the library page. At this stage, tap Delete it to see everything currently sitting in there. Following this, if you'd rather permanently delete everything right away instead of waiting the 30 days, stay on that deleted folder. From here, tap the three dots at the top right again. At this stage, tap Delete All to permanently remove everything in that folder immediately. That's how you delete images from ChatGPT Library. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.